Hey guys, James saying, so this is a video about MyQ. So I got this, I'll show you, I have a linear garage. It's not a MyQ, but I got this thing from, well, why am I doing this? So one, I have a Tesla. Oh, I have a Tesla over here. Now you would think like a $50,000 car would have HomeLink, like, I don't know, like all the cars in America, all the new cars in America have a button built into the car or the mirror. You can open the garage door. I have a remote from, like, I don't know, like you had back in the 2001. But anyway, so it was never enough. So you could buy for $350 from Tesla, have something installed, and then you'd have an automatic garage door opener. It's like, I don't want to spend $350 on that. And then there was the MyQ app, where you could use a MyQ account, which is, it's an app. I think it's like $45. I have to look. I'll put it down either on the screen. $45 a month. There might be a one-time fee. But what made me start thinking about this was that was never enough alone for me to get that. But then now Amazon has Amazon Key, and I order a lot of stuff from Amazon, for good or bad. I order a lot of stuff from Amazon, and sometimes it's expensive stuff, and you don't like, oh, leave it at the front door. I've been fortunate, nothing's ever been stolen. Combining Amazon Key, which I haven't used yet, Amazon Key, so that you have something expensive, you can say, I want this delivery. Amazon can open up your garage, put it in, close the garage remotely. And then also it will be a remote control, or what do you call it? A way to open my garage door. When I just drive up, it will automatically open. As I drive away, it automatically close. So that's why I'm going to install the Smart Garage Control MyQ. So I gotta get this installed. We'll see how easy or hard that this is. And I have a linear. I have a linear. So let's see how easy or hard this is. Let's see what's in here. Got something like this. So we can mount it on the wall. Some instructions. We'll look at that in just a minute. Gotta plug in some stuff. Okay. So let's look at the instructions first. All right, so we're gonna get set up. Before you start, read all blah blah. Access 2.1 gig password. I gotta get the MyQ app. So I probably won't do the step by step. I'll just tell you how easy or hard this is about doing this. But if you wanted to see the instructions, well, that's just a different language. So that's it. That one page of instructions right there. I downloaded the app, and it said, hey, pick, and I got this garage door hub. So power up, go to your garage, plug in the device in it, don't mount it yet. Light should be blinking blue. Okay. So we're just gonna plug this in here. And then we'll see what this is doing here. All right, so it is flashing blue. All right, so flashing blue. Gonna hit next. So it discovered it, MyQ665. We'll hit next, connecting to the device. Pair, we're gonna go pair, yes. Oops, pair, yes. That's my network there. Let me put in my password. All right, so now it's connecting. Hopefully I remember the password. Stay close to your device, which is just hanging down there. Okay. Now that I put the right password in, what do I have? 34% battery. All right, so new device connected. So this should work. Connected. Now let's connect your device to your garage door opener. Next, firmly pull out the tab on the door sensor. Okay. Door sensor. Oh, I think this is the door sensor. Yeah, so that's the door sensor. It's got a little tab thing here, so that's got pulled out. How about, so next on that, test or press and release the button on the front and you'll see a red LED. Okay. I did see a red LED. Next, pair with your smart sensor. Tap next to begin. Get in your garage, press and release the button again to complete pairing. Oh, okay. That thing beeped down there. Did I see that down there? Yeah, I can see that down. Now it's paired to that. So next, install sensor. Let's see the video of how to install the sensor. So the top has to face up. Press this up there for 30 seconds. Just put some adhesive on here and go stick it on the door. Okay. All right, so this just has some, I'm gonna stick this and this on here and then go stick it on the garage. Finally, okay. Now let's close the door. Top is on top. Make sure you can read my cue. I guess I'll put it over here on the side closest to the sensor. Who knows where it needs to go? Here, does it matter? How about right here? Okay, that's on there for 30 seconds. What kind of garage door opener do I have? Lift mode, it's not even. Oh, I don't see mine on there, Linear. Who makes? So this one has a learn button right there. So I just pressed the learn button, found it. Press the learn button. Pairing, okay. Well, the light's clicking on and off, and I'm not doing it, so hopefully. Let's see, we'll set the phone down. I don't know, this may all have been for nothing. It's all been for nothing. Please press your garage door button open learner again. Okay. This is a bad sign. Press it again. Boom. I pressed it. Well, the light's going on and off more, so I mean, that's good. Oh, okay. Hey, maybe this is gonna work after all. Whew, 18 minutes. Ooh, it's hot. Garage door open, got it. Paired, okay, next. What would you like to call your garage door? How about sane? This looks like it's gonna work. Now I gotta get the Tesla and the MyQ set up, so all right, let's get to that. Where I am now is that I have installed, let's get it cool off. I've installed the MyQ app, and I turned my linear garage door opener about this Chamberlain hub, and it did connect. And so now I want to see, can this work to open my Tesla? Because that was the thing. I didn't want to get it just for Tesla and pay whatever it is a month to have, when I pull up, the garage door opens up automatically and closes when I leave, though. I like that. And I saw the Amazon key. So sometimes I get expensive stuff. I wanted to go in my garage instead of at my front door. So now I'm going to see, can I get this set up here? So here we go. Under locks, my Q connected garage, link account. So we're going to scan that. See what this gets me. Sign in with my Q. Okay, I'm going to accept these cookies. Saying garage doors closed. Can I, how about maybe I just gotta do open garage first. Okay, there goes the garage. Nice. I do want it to auto open. And my watch is telling me that the garage open. Yeah, close garage. Close. Oh, settings. Over there in the corner, that's flashing the light at. Oh, let's see if that, okay, that worked. Set garage location. Park, maybe because I'm not in park. I am in park. Park your vehicle near St. Garth. Okay, and then, oh, okay. Within 70 feet, let's do it within, let's just keep it 70 feet, okay? Let's do that. And chime, oh, I want that. Chime on auto opening and closing, okay. So, let's just drive around. All right, guys. So we jumped ahead about 4 weeks. The MyQ app has been working flawlessly. I think I guess not flawlessly. There was one time where I had to use the control settings to open or close right there. No, you know what? It was thinking, and I had to use the backup remote that I have in the car. But to show you that this does work, like 99.9% of the time. So right now we're backing out. The garage door is open. And as I get away, I think I have it set at 70 feet. It'll make a ding like that right there, and it closes. It closes the garage door, so that works really well. I like that. I'll just drive around the block and come back and show that it opens as we come around. My garage door is closed. There's a little ding. Tells me on the screen here, and the garage door is opening. So I've been very happy with this. I have to go back and look at the price. I think it was like $100 for the garage door opener and the garage hub to make them link together. So that was $100 investment, but it also can work with Amazon MyKey. If I have something expensive, I can elect, when I'm away from the house, I can elect to have it. The Amazon people can open up the garage door, put the expensive item inside, close the garage door. But I've been very happy with how this has worked. It's worth it to me. $45 a year. That's nice. And then I've got the peace of mind that I know my garage door is going to be closed when I leave automatically. It's just nice and convenient for that to happen. Additionally, I have added all interconnected MyQ. So if I ever do use the Amazon key, I can see, oh, somebody's opening my garage door. I can see on video. I can make sure the garage door is closed. My phone will tell me, my watch will tell me, my phone will tell me. I'll be able to look on that camera. I forget what I don't know, $70. And it was wireless. Just, I haven't hung any of this stuff up. It's just stuck on the wall. It's plugged in down here. And I need to mount this stuff, so I still have that. That's just hanging up there. I need to mount it or something, but I'll get around to it. Alright guys, thanks a lot. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. It would help my channel, and if you found the information helpful or useful, consider subscribing to the channel, and if you do, that's crooked. Remember to turn on notifications so that you don't miss when the next video comes out. Alright guys, thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next video.